Good morning, sir. My name is Sripratap. I would like to explain about aggregations. Aggregations are used to compute summary statistics for the data in question. Perhaps the most common summary statistics are the mean and standard deviation, which allows to summarize the typical value in dataset. But other aggregations are useful as well. The sum product, median, minimum and maximum quantities, etc. Summing the values in an array. NP dot sum of function is used for computing the sum of all values in an array. For example, let us consider an example program. We are importing numpy as np and we are passing an array using the numpy np dot array of 2468 b equals to np dot sum of array. Then sum will be stored in b, will get output as 20. This is the use of sum function. Minimum and maximum. np dot min of np dot max of are used to find minimum and maximum in a given array. For this, we are considering an example. Import numpy as np array equals to np dot array of 2468, and we call np dot min of array. We get 2 as output, and we call np dot max array. We will get output as 8, as we are having array 2468 minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 8. Next, multi-dimensional aggregates. One common type of aggregation operation is an aggregate along a row or column. By default, each number aggregation function will return the aggregate over the entire array. Aggregate functions take an additional argument specifying the axis along which the aggregate is computed. For example, we can find the minimum value within each column by specifying axis equals to 0. Similarly, we can find maximum value within each row by specifying axis equals to 1. Let us consider an example to find minimum and maximum values in two multi-dimensional arrays. For example, A equals to np dot array of, we are considering two-dimensional array here. One array, one dimension 1357, other one 2468. Print a dot max of, print np dot max of a. Okay, print a dot max of axis equals to 0. Print a dot max of axis equals to 1. Output a dot max of maximum value of entire two-dimensional array is written by a dot max of, when np dot max of a also returns entire value, entire array of maximum value. When we consider print a dot max of axis equals to 0, axis equals to 0, we will get 2468. Print a dot max of axis equals to 1, we get 7 comma 8. This refers row and which refers column. The access keyword specifies the dimension of the array that will be collapsed rather than the dimension that will be written. So, specifying axis equals to 0 means that the first axis will be collapsed for two-dimensional arrays. This means that values within each column will be aggregated. We have different names of functions. We have different types of functions: np.sum, np.prod, np.main, np.std, np.var, np.min, np.max, np.argmin, np.argmax, np.median, np.percentile, np.any, np.org. Non-safe safe version and description. Let's observe each function. np.sum, np.nansum. Compute sum of elements. It will use sum of elements. By using this function, we will get sum of elements. np.prod, np.nanProduct. Compute product of elements. It gives product of all the elements in the array by using this function np.min compute median of the elements, np.std compute standard deviation, np.var compute variance, np.min find minimum value, np.max find maximum value, np.argument find index of minimum value, np.argmax find index of maximum value, np.median compute median of the elements, np.percentile compute rank basis statistics of the elements, np.any evaluate whether any elements are true, np.all evaluate whether all elements are true. These are all some of the functions of aggregate functions. Mm, Thank you. This is about aggregation.